Good morning, I'm Dr.R.Priyadharshini from the Department of Costume Designing and Fashion from Dr. Drsnsrcas College of Arts and Science. In this video, I'm going to talk about fashion management. I think you people know about management. So management is nothing but we have to guide and control the resource, including in our workplace, including the project what we are given, and all these things should be done to achieve the organizational goals. This is the main aspect of management, and also we have to do in an efficient and effective way. So all these aspects should be given by the management goals only. So management is nothing but we are planning, organizing and leading and controlling the groups what we are having. Okay, what are the things we are having. So in terms of fashion management, it's nothing but it encompasses the managerial aspects of fashion industry. From it starts from designing to marketing and also the product development, all these things, and also it will help to conduct a smooth operating and promoting business growth. This is the main idea of the fashion management, and also it involves in industry trends and managing varieties of business facilities and applying strategic approaches to achieve the success in the fashion sector. This is the main idea of the fashion management. And also not only that, we are creating a brand image and brand awareness, and also as well as in a working well versed when we are working with other departments, all these aspects we have to implement, like such as marketing, merchandising and all the sectors which are related to the textile industry. So all these things we comparing with management, and fashion management is nothing but we are concentrating one in the fashion sector. So that is we are going to talk about the fashion sector, how the management goals or should be achieved using the management goals. Okay, so let us be moving to the topic. So in today's topic, I am going to explain about the fashion in the global market and how it was navigating through the social, cultural and economic landscapes. So we know we are in a society and there is a kind of a culture we are following. When we are comparing to India and foreign countries, there are so many Western cultures are also implemented in our India today. And how this fashion market in globally, how it was navigating into the social, cultural and economic landscapes, we are going to know about this in this video. So here I am going to explain about how social, economic and cultural factors shape the global fashion trends and markets, and what are the key strategies are there we can proceed. All these things we are going to discuss in this video. So first thing, social influences on global fashion. Yes, exactly. So without the consumer behavior, without the social movements, without the market impact, we can't do anything, because this is fashion. We know fashion is always changing. So the consumer behavior is also changing, because based on their preference and based on their culture also, it was changing. And when we go with the preference, it's some person will they will move on to the classic culture, and some person they need some kind of a fad kind of a fashion, because a fad is nothing but it is a short-lived fashion. So classic, it's nothing but it's a long-lived fashion. For example, for classic we can give it a sari and like from Kanjipuram. So these are all long-lived fashion. So fad, it is an example of a rangila dress and sneakers. These are all a short-lived fashion. We have to call it as a fad. Okay, so there is a difference between fad and classic is there, and we have to come with a lot of examples with based on the consumer behavior, and the consumer preference is mostly needed, because if we are presenting a design to the public, this consumer preference is if it was preferred by the consumer, it will reach to the classic level. Otherwise what will happen, it will go with the fad. Okay, and the second thing is about social movement. Yes, it's nothing but body positivity and sustainability drive meaningful fashion choices. So nowadays we are coming under the subject like sustainability. So sustainability, it is nothing but what we are using, we can use with the. And the next thing, sustainable and ethical consideration. So already we have discussed about the sustainability. So anything what we are using in a market, it should not affect the environment. That is a sustainability. And what all things we are using we can reuse again and again. That is also a kind of a sustainability. It's nothing but reducing waste and environmental footprints. Okay. And ethical sourcing, ensuring fair labor and responsible materials. So we have to come up with a ethical labor law. So based on the law, we have to provide work to the employee, we have to give some remunerations, and we have to give some leaves, protocols, everything we have to give. And brand initiative, so Patagonia cut waste by 40%. It's a kind of a brand, it's a sustainable brand. What they are doing, they are cutting their waste by 40% in their brand. And Allen Fisher, they have upcycled the garments. It's nothing but recycle, we know. So upcycle is nothing but used garments are again coming into the market, and again it was replacing the new varieties of garments. It's nothing but upcycled means the used garments again coming into the market, and again some problems in the garment should be rectified, and again it will come into the sale. That is a upcycled garment. And Stella McCarthy boosted sales 30% with vegan fashion. So vegan fashion is nothing but, vegan is a product. It's for an like leather. It's a product for leather. So that is a vegan. Vegan is a leather product. It's completely innovated by the vegetable leather. And the role of technology in global fashion, we can go with e-commerce reach, innovative experiences, data utilization, and ASOS ships to over 200 countries worldwide, we know. And innovative experience, Burberry's AR boosts engagement by 25%, and data utilization, Amazon's analytics increase conversation by 15%. So these are all some of the role of technology in global fashion. And here in e-commerce reach, globally it was reached 200 countries worldwide through the brand expansion, consumer loyalty, sales and growth, global accessibility by these points. And innovative experience, nowadays we are having visual reality and augmented reality. All these things, it will impact the customer engagement and satisfaction also. And data utilization, how we are converting the consumer to purchase our product. That is a data utilization, and understand consumer behavior and personalized shopping experience, then enhance products offerings, and tailor marketing strategies. Everything we have to include here. Yes, so the final topic in this is the future trends in global fashion. So we know emerging market, and in emerging markets, the market should be because fashion is always changing, and there is no end, there is no limit to the fashion. So India's market will reach 85 billion by 2025, and influencer marketing continue to shop consumers' choices worldwide, and sustainable growth. Africa and China focus on local production and brands nowadays. These are all some of the future trends in global fashion. And how we are adapting to thrive in global fashion means cultural sensitivity, innovation embrace, strategy